How to fix camera app error 0XA00F425C in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Press the Windows key and E to open File Explorer. Locate the Pictures folder from the Quick Access column in the left pane. Select New and choose Folder to create a new folder. Name the folder Camera Roll. Launch the camera app. Check if the issue is resolved. Go to System. Click on Storage. Under Storage Management, click on Advanced Storage Settings to expand it. Locate where new content is saved. Look for new photos and videos will save to and choose System Drive, /. If that didn't work, copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.